In this video, I will tell you how to fix the ROCKSTAR launcher failed to initialize error on Windows because this problem can stop ROCKSTAR games from launching completely. The first thing you should do is verify your game files on Steam or whichever platform you are using. Corrupted or missing files can sometimes cause the launcher to fail during startup. If verifying files does not help, you can also try doing a fresh reinstall of the game itself later if needed. The next step is uninstalling both ROCKSTAR Games Launcher and ROCKSTAR Social Club from your computer completely. Once both are removed, open your browser and download the newest version of ROCKSTAR Games Launcher directly from the official ROCKSTAR website. After installing it again, do not launch it immediately yet. Instead, browse to the installation folder of ROCKSTAR Launcher and look for the executable files called Launcher and Launcherpicture or something very similar. Right-click the first file, open Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Make sure Run this program in compatibility mode is completely unchecked because many users accidentally have it enabled for older systems like Windows 7, which can break the launcher on Windows 10 or Windows 11. After disabling compatibility mode, enable Run this program as administrator instead and click Apply. Repeat exactly the same steps for the Launcherpicture executable as well. Once both files are configured correctly, launch ROCKSTAR Launcher again. In many cases, this completely fixes the failed to initialize error because the launcher was either using incorrect compatibility settings or missing administrator permissions needed to start properly. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.